Ready to go? Let's do this, Daddy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa. He's like, come on, Dad. Let's go.
Slow me down, Dad.
Aww. Steven's in his happy place.
This is my house.
Good morning, beautiful people.
What's up, guys?
We are working on a little project today. We have been, yes, and Linky loves to say hi. Yes, baby. We have been really wanting to get our outdoor area set up.
Finished up.
We've been in the RV for a few weeks now and have not really had a great outdoor space to utilize other than like the rocking chairs and that kind of thing. But the big thing that we've been missing is the fire pit area because for years...
Fire pit, outdoor table, all that kind of stuff.
Outdoor dining, but especially the fire pit because it is getting pretty chilly nowadays and you know the kids love to make bonfires and do s'mores and that kind of thing. This time of year is just so perfect for it.
Yeah,
what do you see out there?
Right.
He's pointing to something. So we really want to get that set up today and I'm hoping that we can get the entire area like really good because we've got like mulch and stones and that kind of thing so that we can kind of have some landscaping. But at least I want to have like the string lights up and the fire pit and we are going to do some s'mores around the fire this evening with the kids. We told them we're like we will at least get that set up this evening so we can do that. So we just loaded up the van with a bunch of that stuff.
I think our van probably weighs like...
We're probably like sagging now.
And it's all on this side.
I don't know if you can see back here, but the mulch bags are literally at, like almost up to the roof over on this side.
I'm really surprised we got it all. We got 30 bags of mulch, so 60 yards, I guess. Of mulch.
And then more of the like brick things that go around the fire pit, as well as some stepping stones to kind of have a pathway. So we'll show you guys. We're gonna go home and set it up in just a minute, but Mr. Lincoln's been our helper this afternoon. And we just drove through Chick-fil-A and had a nice little salad that we shared. And so he's gonna be ready for nap time. So we're gonna do this while he takes a nap. And then once the kids get home, we can all celebrate with some good old s'mores.
Heck yeah.
You ready to go bye-bye, Lincoln? Okay, let's go. Let's do it. Lincoln is out. Do you think he'll stay asleep if we try to transfer him inside?
I hope so. We have a lot of work to do.
Yeah, we're gonna try to get him to take a nap inside. It's literally been 1 minute. He's snoring. You enjoying the sunshine? It feels so nice out here. Miss Reese made this lemon blueberry bread that is so incredibly good. And there's one piece left. Definitely going to have a little bit more of this. It's seriously so good, guys. So we have some work to do here because we've got a lot of leaves and stuff. And then
leaving the leaves because it's like it helps with the mud.
Right.
You know?
It has actually helped with
walk on
mud.
the leaves instead of on the mud. But we're hoping to also kind of create pathways.
A little walkway.
That are not made of leaves. Yeah, it's a good temporary fire pit for the next 6 months or so.
Yeah, I like it.
Pretty exciting.
We have the lawn chairs out here.
I know. Well,
if anybody wants to take a nap while they're roasting a marshmallow, you know,
I love it.
can do it. But this will be a nice nice little area to utilize, especially once the lights are up with it. So we have these bags of mulch, and what we're gonna do with this is put it like kind of over here underneath the dining area. We didn't want anything permanent because this is honestly not going to be where the RV stays forever, but it's gonna be here for the next, you know, 6 to 8 months or something like that. And then we'll probably find a different spot on the property for it because we don't really want it to be in our, you know, in our front yard basically. So that's not gonna be there forever. But for now, this is where it needed to be so that we could kind of hard line our sewage and all of that. So it just made sense to keep it here for now, but that's not going to be where we want it forever. So we don't want to be doing like a permanent patio or anything here in the front yard.
Yeah,
so
gravel and all that. But
yeah,
this is great because it's biodegradable. It will break down over the next,
yeah,
it's only a year, like, you know.
Yeah, we want something temporary, so the mulch is going to be there's literally bags falling out of that.
It would be great because we can actually just put sod over the mulch after we're done. So.
Yeah, we can clean this up and make it back into like whatever we want. So yeah, that's kind of the reasoning behind doing mulch instead of something a little bit more permanent. Like we can pick up the stepping stones, we can kind of move all this once we're ready to move everything around. So we have our big dining table that we brought over here with the chairs, but we put it inside the house because we were working on a project and we needed like a workspace, and so we took it in there. But we're gonna bring it back out here once we're kind of done with all the mulch and all of that and set up the whole dining space and just put it all together. So we gotta work on the floor first. So this is the area where Steven found some of these extra bricks, and there's actually poison ivy all on this tree. And so he had the clippers out. It looked like it was dying because it's, you know, winter now, but or almost winter, feels like winter. But so he clipped that and like pulled it all out and cleaned this up.
So much better now.
It does look so much better now.
And if we have extra mulch, we can put some fresh mulch over the
yeah,
top. Really
mulch our trees as well. Ooh, my coffee. Now we're going to take it over from these trees over here and then around this way, and then we're going to wrap it around and bring it back over. But we got the mulch set out, which is looking pretty good, so now we can bring the chairs back over and set all that up. A little tricky when we only have one ladder and we're trying to get way up here. You got it?
Got it.
There we go. Looks like one of our bulbs is out, but we have some extras, so that's nice that it doesn't like affect the whole string. We can just replace one at a time. And it looks like all the kids are coming home off the bus right now. What do you guys think of this so far? We're not done yet, obviously, but this is gonna be a nice area to sit down. We'll finish the lights here.
Thanks, sir.
No hanging on the light.
No doing pull-ups on the light.
No pull-ups.
Okay.
What are you guys gonna turn this around there?
Yeah, we're gonna take it all the way around in a circle. Kind of like circle around the whole area.
What we should do is get those heater things, you know?
The heaters? Outside, yeah, outside
Like
heaters would be nice.
Like a fire?
That's true. We will have the fire pit, so. What you think?
I like it. Lovely, wonderful, beautiful.
Daddy and I were saying we're gonna try to do the bonfire tonight. We got some stuff for s'mores. All hands on deck to get this done before the sun goes down in 20 minutes. This is gonna look so pretty with the lights up tonight. A good place to make some s'mores?
Yes.
Yes. We gotta get a big fire going, huh? Yeah. Right now there's nothing in there. So we gotta get the wood and all that, huh?
There's some wood over there.
You're right, there is. Look at how good of a job Daddy's doing with these lights. It looks so nice. And Liam. Liam's like, I helped with this too. We have a little bit of a strand left, so I think we're gonna wrap the tree here. And then of course we're going to be wrapping the trees with some Christmas lights soon too.
Of course, you know, next week we'll be wrapping Christmas.
I know. Yeah.
Yeah, I get it.
As soon as we get back from Thanksgiving, we're gonna decorate this place all up with Christmas lights and all sorts of outside decor.
Yeah, like football gloves.
Here you go. You found some gloves? Gotta get those fingers warmed up, huh?
What?
Yeah, I can't catch a football with frozen fingers, huh?
I don't think I can catch it.
Hey, I got an idea.
It might be kind of hard with the ski gloves.
Hey, I got an idea. Let's make a fire.
Let's do it. So Ethan found the sticks for the s'mores, so that will be perfect. And Kira's got all the s'mores ingredients. Ta-da! And Mr. Lincoln woke up from his nap time. We got a coat and shoes on. Hey, where are you going? Oh, you were trying to get a banana? Okay, come here. We have some s'mores stuff too. Oh. Say thanks, sister.
Yeah!
Yay! So we've got the fire pit area set up pretty well. We're just trying to actually get the fire started, and it rained so much this week, I think it's just having a hard time catching. But we got the lights up, and we're running out of daylight, so we don't have the dining area finished yet. So that will have to be for a different day. But at least we have the whole fire pit area set up. So I'm gonna call the kids over in just a minute because they are playing with the neighbors and just tossing the football around a little bit. But hopefully we can get this fire going. It looks like it's starting to catch. And then we can do our s'mores for the first time in our new home, in our kind of new home, new property, new RV, all that good stuff. Look at that.
Whoa.
See that? That is like perfect.
That is perfect.
That is perfect. Just a little bit of black, but not totally charcoal. Oh, that's the perfect marshmallow right there.
Nothing like a carcinogen marshmallow.
Oh, that is nice. I know what's perfect.
Dang, give it a squeeze.
A squeeze?
I want to see it squish out. I want it to be your squishy.
No, you don't want your fingers to go.
Somebody had a s'more? Yeah.
Good.
Chocolate's in the inside. Marshmallow is a mountain.
That is utterly brilliant.
Okay, that's good. He has hair. Yeah, he has hair.
Oh
He
my
has hair.
god. What in the world?
Oh, quick.
Jude's living his best life now over there, man. How many did you eat? That's so funny. You should really extend that thing.
Oh, we can extend it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Kara's like, let me just put my hand in it.
Oh, you can extend it? You didn't know it extends?
That's cool.
She's like, wow, what a handy feature. This thing extends. Liam's getting creative here on how to deal with the smoke.
He's like, I'm tired of this smoke.
But it actually doesn't work.
Is it still getting through?
Yeah, somehow.
Oh, you probably should just switch
Probably
seats
because
then.
it's a Halloween costume, buddy.
Yeah, that's true too. I thought there were ski goggles for a minute, but if it's just a costume, it's probably not heavy duty enough.
That's a perfect.
That's a perfect one for you?
Yeah.
That looks nice. It's just lightly toasted, huh? How many is this for you?
I like my marshmallows.
Actually, I don't know. I lost
I
count.
haven't been keeping
This
count.
teenage boy
I
can
stopped
eat as
counting
much as
after-
everyone else combined at this point.
I like my
No, still halfway full, right, Liam?
He's left a few for us.
Still halfway full, right?
There you go. You're welcome. I'm sticking to mama too. You guys, it is getting so cold. I feel like the temperatures dropped
Seriously.
like 30 degrees in the past
It's supposed
hour.
to get into the 20s tonight.
It is? That makes sense. I was like, this is like just so insanely
Yeah.
cold. The kids have all run off again.
They're inviting the neighbors over to have some s'mores with us.
Yeah, so we're just gonna hang out with the neighbors a little
Yeah.
bit, but gosh, this fire feels so good right now.
So good.
That's really special. It's our first fire pit in our new home. So even though
It's
we're
a
not in our
monumentous
home,
occasion.
we're in our RV.
She goes, can I borrow your leg?
He's like, you're warmer than the chairs.
Rub my feet together to make warmth. I have to. It's the only way to warm my feet up.
The only way to warm your feet up.
Rub the feet together. It's the only way I can get them warm.
He's back. He's like, I'm just gonna run away again real quickly. I'll be right back. You guys.
There could be wild koalas.
You saw wild koalas. No wild koalas. No bears.
Are you sure they live here?
They live here.
They live here.
I do think that we have bobcats because we've heard those at night before.
Maybe it is wild koalas.
What are you doing? Oh my goodness. Kids are playing laser tag, running all over. You're sweating. I'm freezing.
Guys, it's been a really wonderful day. Getting to just have those warm feelings, even in the midst of a not warm outside experience.
Freezing cold. It got so cold.
It was so cold. But the fire felt great, and like beyond that, like I just love the nostalgia of like sitting in front of a fire pit, eating some s'mores with your kids.
And the neighbors
came over, which is great.
Yeah, so the kids ran around and did laser tag with them, and we got to just chat. We have some seriously amazing neighbors,
They're so great. Liam came in and was like, I haven't had that much fun in a long time. And I was like, yeah, boy.
They're just the whole vibe, because you got the string lights up, so it was like enough light to be able to enjoy the outdoors, but then the kids doing the laser tag. It was just so cool. Fun. It was just one of those good, warm, fuzzy feeling kind of nights, and I love that, you know, we got to just kind of hang with the neighbors for a little bit, and like just not really vlog any of that, but it's just so nice to be able to connect with the neighbors. So yeah, we're just gonna thaw out for a little bit.
I'm gonna go do some laundry at the laundromat because that's what we're still doing. Like, I'm waiting for the contractor to hook up our washer and dryer here, but in the meantime, there is this really cool laundromat down the road that's part of like a donut gas station, which sounds amazing. I don't eat the donuts, but I hear they're amazing. And the washer and dryer are like the size of our entire RV, and so I can do like all the kids' clothes and our clothes and all that in like one load, like the whole family of 9 in one load. Bye, buddy. Oh, thank you.
Of course.
It's not a real vlog without a Linky kiss.
Yeah.
So.
I need to feed these kids now that we've like loaded up on s'mores. I need to give them something.
Real food.
And get some laundry done and all of that. But so this was kind of just simple, feel good kind of vlog. But we're so glad that we finally have like a little bit of space.
Seriously.
Even though we didn't finish the dining area, we at least have like the fire pit area and the lights up, and we've just been anticipating that since we moved.
And I think like the fire pit went so quick that like I think that the dining area will go really fast.
Yeah, it really will. We just ran out of daylight because it gets dark at 4:30.
As soon as that sun goes down, it's like winter like hits hard. So we're like, oh,
well, that will be for another day.
Yeah, we'll do it when the sun's out.
All right.
We love you guys.
Love you.
See you next time.
See you later.
Bye.
See ya.
Say bye. Dude goes, bye guys.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back